All right. Hi, folks. I'm Charles. I'm from NuAxis Innovations, presenting our DOI Enterprise Permits Accelerator demo. So let's get into it. Our solution is an Enterprise Permits Accelerator. It's a proven model for faster, smarter, and scalable permitting. It's built on a reusable playbook with pre-built workflows and configurations, and it's refined through our hands-on delivery with Fish and Wildlife e-permits. So what this means is that we have an out-of-the-box system that's ready to be deployed to any agency at an enterprise level. So permitting today, what is it? It's slow, siloed, and costly. Agencies know the challenge: complex reviews, legacy systems, and rising expectations. Permitting delays impact mission-critical work from conservation to infrastructure, and most of these digital efforts start from scratch. So creating these permitting systems from scratch can take years, with the implementation of complicated workflows and building out instances from the ground up without guaranteed success. When created from scratch, these systems are not scalable across enterprises. So for ours, it's not just a prototype, it's a reusable head start. Most of these digital permitting efforts take 6 to 12 months just to scope, but our team walks in the door with a pre-built template and workflow. We bring 80% of the solution based on our real-world implementation. And the result is that we get to value faster with less risk. We have a few things to offer here: configured permit workflows, intake forms, validation logic, and reviewer queues, status tracking and audit logs, adding new permit types, integrating with GIS, payments and identity providers, and AI integrations coming soon to automate processing. Let me bring you over to our instance. So this is the instance that the customer will see coming in. They're going to be able to answer their eligibility questions. For this one, they're over the age of 18, a local resident, and has never had their license denied. So let's start the application. After a minute of loading, it'll verify that the user can implement this. So going into it, we can select an individual type, place their information in here, and continue on. We can specify details, whether this is constituent or governance procedures, and if they need an interpreter for the interview that has to go along with this permit. So after entering a lot of information, uploading documents and providing credentials, the user can submit through this user-friendly portal. And once that's submitted, someone on the back end will see something like this. They'll see an intake stage, review, process, and decision stage. So throughout this, they're going to be able to review, approve the context, complete a consultation, process payment, and verify documents, and record findings. They're going to be able to process this, perform additional inspections, or record their findings and propose a decision. And then once a decision is made, a PDF of the permit will be sent out to the individual who requested it. So this process really simplifies the way that this happens on the back end. And this also includes several other things like an activity stream to see what activities have taken place, agent assist, which can give your agents help desk articles around all of these different things, the attachments added, recommended actions, related records, and then we can have response templates as well as email templates. All right, so that's a really, really quick overview, just under 5 minutes here. But throughout all of this as well, once we move through the intake, review, process, and decision stages, the customer is going to be able to see that on their side as well. So they're going to be able to see the same tracker, obviously not all the detail, but they're also going to be able to see this information so they can stay really tapped into where their permit is at. All right, that's a really quick overview. I'd love to talk about this more. Thank you so much.